General overview and trend. SGML has demonstrated extreme volatility over the past 3 months, beginning the period at 779 and experiencing a severe decline to a low of 425 before staging a dramatic recovery. The stock established a clear downtrend from May through July, characterized by consistent lower highs and lower lows, culminating in a capitulation phase near 425 in late June. The trend reversed sharply in early July with a powerful rally to 722, followed by another correction to 486 in early August. The August 11th surge from 544 to 668 represents a significant 22.8% single-day gain, indicating renewed bullish momentum. The overall pattern shows a deep correction followed by a robust recovery that appears to be regaining strength, though the stock remains below key long-term moving averages, suggesting the longer-term trend is still in recovery mode. Price and volume. Price action reveals a persistent downtrend from May through late June, with the stock declining from 779 to 425 before reversing. The July rally peaked at 722 before correcting to 486, and the August 11th surge to 668 represents a strong recovery attempt. Volume analysis confirms the abnormal nature of recent moves, with average daily volume around 25 million shares throughout the period. August 11th saw volume explode to 731 million shares, a 192% increase that perfectly coincided with the price jump. This indicates massive institutional participation. Notable volume spikes also occurred on July 24th, 456 million shares, during the July rally, and August 8th, 440 million shares, during the recovery phase, reflecting growing accumulation. The Chaikin oscillator at -424,083 suggests some distribution pressure despite the rally, but the overall volume pattern supports the bullish reversal thesis. Moving averages. The current closing price of 668 stands above most short and medium-term moving averages but below critical long-term levels. Short-term averages are below: SMA 5 at 548, EMA 5 at 575, SMA 10 at 542, and EMA 10 at 569. Medium-term averages are also below: SMA 20 at 606, EMA 20 at 574, SMA 50 at 545, and EMA 50 at 595. Long-term averages remain above the current price: SMA 100 at 682, EMA 100 at 697, SMA 150 at 837, EMA 150 at 823, SMA 200 at 951, and EMA 200 at 952. This configuration indicates a short-term bullish trend within a longer-term downtrend, with the 100-day SMA at 682 acting as immediate resistance. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators show strengthening bullish conditions. RSI 14 at 61, 84 signals healthy momentum without being overbought, while Williams R at -32.97 and MFI 14 at 52.70 confirm moderate buying pressure. MACD at -004 with a negative histogram of -003 shows improving but still weak bullish momentum. Stochastic oscillators present mixed signals with K15 at 22.84 and D15 at 11.35 suggesting room for upside, while K5 at 77.67 and D5 at 55.06 indicate emerging strength. CCI 20 at 46.13 reflects moderate upward momentum. Trend indicators show moderate momentum with ADX 14 at 24.39 and a rune down at 76.0 dominating a rune up at 52.0. Parabolic SAR at 4.86 supports the bullish trend. Volatility indicators reveal contraction with Bollinger Bands at upper 7.62, middle 6.06, and lower 4.51, with price above the middle band. ATR 14 at 0.51 indicates moderate volatility. Volume indicators show Chaikin oscillator at -424,083 suggesting some distribution, but ultimate oscillator at 56.40 confirms improving momentum. Linear regression. The 20-day linear regression shows a negative slope, confirming the recent downtrend. However, the August 11th close at 668 is significantly above this regression line, indicating a strong deviation from the established trend. This divergence suggests the recent move has strong underlying support and may be sustainable. The regression channel currently projects bearish momentum unless the price sustains above 600, suggesting the recovery has further room to run if momentum continues. Opening estimate for next trading day. Given the strong momentum and volume support, SGML is expected to open between 650 and 680. The bullish momentum may lead to a gap-up opening, though some profit-taking could result in a flat start. The 731 million volume suggests institutional involvement may provide near-term support, favoring a positive opening. Support and resistance analysis. Key resistance levels include 682, SMA 100, 700, psychological, and 722, July high. Support levels are at 600, psychological, 550, August 7th low, and 508, August 4th low. At the current price of 668, the distance to first resistance is 0.14 and to first support is 0.68. The proximity to 100-day SMA resistance suggests some overhead supply. Intraday movement may see an initial test of 682 resistance, followed by a potential breakout towards 700 if momentum continues, or a pullback towards 600 support if profit-taking emerges. Intraday high and low estimates based on ATR 14. With ATR 14 at 0.51, the estimated intraday range is a high of 719 and a low of 617. Given the recent volatility and strong momentum, actual range may exceed this, particularly if follow-through buying emerges. The proximity to resistance suggests the upper end of the range may be achievable with sustained buying interest. Possible scenarios. A bullish scenario would see sustained momentum above 682 triggering further buying towards 700 and potentially 722, requiring volume confirmation and RSI stabilization above 65. A bearish scenario involves failure at 682 resistance leading to reversal towards 600 support, with the overbought conditions on shorter timeframes suggesting some consolidation is possible. A neutral scenario would involve consolidation between 600 and 680 as the market digests the recent gains, allowing technical indicators to normalize before the next directional move. Conclusion. SGML has established a strong short-term bullish trend following its August reversal, with the price breaking above most moving averages and showing improving momentum indicators. The 22.8% single-day surge appears sustainable given the healthy RSI levels and strong volume support, though the proximity to 100-day SMA resistance at 682 presents a key test. The failure to reclaim this level could lead to consolidation, while a sustained break above would confirm a longer-term bullish shift. The volume pattern suggests institutional accumulation is supporting the recovery, reducing the risk of a sharp reversal. Traders should watch the 682 level closely. A sustained break above would target 722, while rejection could lead to consolidation near 600. Given the improving technical setup, the stock offers favorable risk-reward for experienced traders, with optimal entries on pullbacks to 600 support or breakouts above 682 resistance. The stock's moderate volatility makes it suitable for intermediate-term investors seeking exposure to the biotechnology sector, though caution is warranted given the overall market conditions.